Whooped on a little nigga, he kept talking shit. Glock out a big man, it came with a dick. If a nigga talk super, you know he get hit. And I stay in the field, so I'm sending the blitz. He a bitch, and Draco run off with a stick.
Yeah, cause Draco ran off with a stick. We caught this man like that's a double leg. Me and take back to back, you know we never met. He said he won't smoke, so he sending the blade. Draco with a drum and the came with some tape. If a nigga move wrong, he get popped in the shit.
Yeah, big TM, we walking this build with a glick. Niggas try something, we up in the stick. Got one to the head and got two to the hip. Got time for a bitch, I just fucking out there. Shot him in his leg, now he walk with a limp. Since he talking that shit, he get sent like a blunt. That boy broke as a fuck, he ain't living a team. He spoke on TM, now his ass got me bent. Kicking your door like, bitch, give me your shit. That bitch on my dick like a motherfucker. Couldn't open your eyes, you got hit with the stick. Poof. Like Shazam, niggas try something to Glock and not jam. He hype on the neck, that boy is a flame. Got a white ass plug in that nigga named Sam.
And I'm fucking this bitch, old man, goddamn. If I pop out the cut with the Glock, it's spam. Nigga sweet like jelly, my chop won't jam. And the 5.56, they breaking you down. If you won't be a thug, give your mama a friend. Ray beam on your face, nigga, you a clown. If you try to run off, then I'm gunning you down. And you can't get away from a whole 100 rounds. And I'm making the bread cause I'm shipping the pounds. Ryan be thugging, he might lay you down. Yeah, no mad, nigga move around, make him run like track. Them 4-5 bullets, they eat up his back. And I fuck, then I leave it, ain't no strings attached. And that nigga this case, so you know he get whacked. If I call a little nigga, he's skirting that scat. Know he pull up on you, you get popped like a tag. If you try to run, then we on your ass.
Yeah, we on your ass, kick to the door like it's give me your cash. He did something and I just told out a tag. Got a little tape, we don't scaring this cat. He tried to run off, he got shot in his back. I posted in the vista cause I never laughed. Got a Glock with a dick and the beat came attached. Nigga, you a bitch when I catch you with straps. Tried to run off, he got shot in his hat. Since he wants some smoke, then we gon' double back. Voice gon' pop through the cup with the mag. 5.56, eat him like a snack. Run in your crib, it smell like some crack. Kick to your door like, bitch, give me that.